Hi guys, in this video we talk about Xiaomi 14 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. The Xiaomi 14 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $899. The body dimension: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, height 6.24 inches, width 2.99 inches, thickness 7.7 mm, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro dimension 6.35 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.5 mm. The weight of these devices: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 196 gram and the one or Xiaomi 14 Pro 223 gram. The build of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro front and back glass and titanium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM, nano SIM card support. The display type: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x 16 color screen type, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion color. The screen size: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 6.7 inches and the Xiaomi 14 Pro 6.73 inches. The resolution of these devices is same 2K screen resolution in both devices, and the PPI density: Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 522 PPI density and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 513 PPI density. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 120Hz refresh rate, and the same Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 120Hz refresh rate, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 89.6% screen to body ratio. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 91.6% screen to body ratio, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Xiaomi Longjing Glass screen protection, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 2600 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto, and it supports 8K 30fps video. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel telephoto with Leica lens, and it records 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera: the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60fps video record, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 12 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60fps video record. And the platform: the both device come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the both device come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU is same 750 and Reno 750, and both mobile come with Android 14. The memory: the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The Samsung S24 Plus comes with 12GB of RAM. The internal storage: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 256GB and 512GB internal storage. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. The battery of these devices: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus comes with 4900 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 14 Pro 4880 mAh battery, and the Samsung S24 Plus comes with 45 watt fast charging. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 120 watt fast charging, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro supported 50 watt wireless charging. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus supported 15 watt wireless charging, and the both device come with 5G network support. Common and feature is same, and the result of these devices: Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus got 23 points and the Xiaomi 14 Pro got 26 points.